Hi, it's Paschal here, and in this video, I want to talk about um, action. Why action is really important in building your online business, whether you want to start affiliate marketing, work from home, any of these online training courses. Why the speed of implementation and action is very important, and why you need to start now, basically, especially if you don't have any experience in online business or getting why it's important for you to start and act based on your whatever you want to choose to do, whether it's consulting, affiliate marketing, or freelancing, any of that. Now, this came off a conversation I was having. This was literally last night. As you can see, I'm heading to the gym now. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see the gym is over there. I just want to do this quick video before I I jump into the gym before I start sweating. Um, as a conversation I had, a lady called me yesterday. She was like, I should explain online marketing to her. I'm like, I can't really explain online marketing because it's broad. A lot of people want you to give them the like, is there's a secret? What do you sell? That kind of question. That's what the angle she was coming from. So what I did was I asked her how did she get my information, and she told me, okay. I said, fine, that's fine. Then I said, give me your email. Let me send you some training, and so that you go through it and just check it out. Just to be honest, just check it out. There's nothing, because I know it's not for everybody. When you go through that training, that's kind of a qualifier to make sure that whether you can make decision, and whether what you want to do, whether online business is what you want to do, because that training the footage is really in depth. I'll leave a link to in the description of this training, so in case if you want to go through it. So she asked me, so I typed her email into mine, because if you've got an Apple phone, you have a machine in your hand, but you pretty much don't know. So I typed in her email she gave me her email, and I was typing it in my autoresponder, which gathers my list of subscribers. Then what happened was, as I was typing her name, I did a search. Guess what? She's been following me since June 2017. I'm like, you've been following me for some time. You just didn't met me. She said, yes. The funny thing was, I'm like, because that time it really doesn't dawn on you how long you've been doing this thing or how long I've been doing it. But what she made me realize was very basic, that I've been around for about 2 years, just getting close to 2 years now. So for her, it's a long time. But the truth is, that was when I was starting. I literally didn't have any idea of what I was doing that time. When you're starting out, you're thinking, oh, this whole big mountain that this climb, what is that? What is this? So what she made me realize is I've taken a lot of actions. And if I look at where I am today and where she is, she basically said she wants to start. I just want you to really understand this. We basically were about to start at the same time. She saw me in my initial stages, and she didn't do anything about it. And 2 years later, what she said was, the pictures of you then that she still has, and because there's a video on YouTube that I shot then, I'll put that video up here so that it will pop up here so that you can actually see the difference what she's talking about. Then say the picture of me then and now is different. That is as if this training I'm talking about is real and I'm making money from it. I said, of course it's real, but the truth is, guys, it's really cold here. I'll have to start running. So but the point of this message is, you could be, if you have been following me for the past 20 days or so now, I started this YouTube channel. I wanted to start putting more videos on it. The first thing I talked about was consistency and commitment. And that's what it really takes to build an online business. That's the only thing it takes: consistency and commitment. You say, I'm gonna do this, and you commit. You commit to the process. That every day it's like going to the gym. I'm gonna get in shape, I'm gonna build my body. It's commitment and consistency. You can't lose that. That is the basics. You have to understand that you can consume a lot of videos, you can consume a lot of content, you can go to all the seminars in this world, you can go to As long as you're not lifting weight when you get into the gym, nothing is going to happen. As long as you're not taking action every day in your business, nothing is going to happen. You can watch this training course. Again, you need coaches like personal trainer in the gym. You will need a personal trainer to guide you. There's a reason they are there. It's not that you can't get in shape, but you want to shorten that time that you get that result. That's why I'm sharing this. The reason I'm sharing this, the lady really made me laugh. She was like, it wasn't as if I was laughing at her. It was just that she made me realize that this life can go past you like this, boom, in a matter of years, and you think, haven't you found yourself saying, where time flies? It doesn't. It's because you don't know what you're doing every day. That's why the time is flying. If you've been what I was gonna say, if you've been following me up since I started this YouTube 30-day challenge, I put up 20. I think I missed about a couple of days on my YouTube, but I put up like 20 videos or more in my YouTube channel, trying to grow it. It's how I know I understand that the results I'm looking to get with this YouTube channel is not now. It's like a year from now, but I can't get that result without putting this content daily. It's the daily regimentation that gives the result. But I understand, I have the faith, I believe that I will get that result. So that's why I am taking these actions now. I'm doing all these things. This month has actually been one of the phenomenal months since my online business. This month has been crazy for me. It's kind of the way I started, but now it's more like income producing activities. I do more of income producing activities. That's what gets results in online business, because that's what you lean into fear. You take the action, boom, 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 and you expect, not that you expect, you know the outcome is going to be there because you know what you're doing. So if you're looking to start an online business and you're still on the fence, how much money does it cost? That's on the fence. How much time does it need? That's on the fence. What kind of products do I need to sell? That's on the fence. All these little questions. What I'm saying to you is that they don't matter. You have to take the action. Then the results, these questions will be answered in the journey. It won't be revealed to you now. You have to say commit, and you have to know why you're doing it, not because of necessarily what I mean by why you're doing it. You have to find a very tangible reason why you're. Maybe you want to help your mother, or you want to help your family, or you want to help your children, or you want to have time for yourself. But the reason has to be really strong. That will give you the momentum to keep going when things are really not working out. But you keep putting out the content, you keep shooting the videos, you keep writing your blogs, you keep doing all these little basic things. I think my battery is going down. That will help you drive the result. So that's what I want to share with you. Action is the key. Action is the commitment and consistency. But you will not get there unless you do something right now. So I'll put a link on the video that she was talking about 2 years ago, so that you can actually see it. Then I'll put a link in the description on the new trainings that I'm using to really that I'm sharing with people, that it's like kind of the foundations of online business that can give you that head start of what you need to do and pick the right path for you, whether it's, like I said, whether it's Amazon FBA or consulting or affiliate marketing. Just choose any path. It doesn't matter, but just take the leap of faith and take the action. Don't worry about all those things that will come and clatter your head. I'm gonna do this. This is gonna work. It's not gonna work. Just don't worry about that. But just take the action and go. Go with the flow. You will discover yourself in the process. That's what I want to share with you before I jump into the gym. And I'll see you guys on the next one. This place is really cold. I'll see you there. Bye bye.